detail.
Good afternoon to you. Having been away for a couple of weeks, I had hoped the weather might improve, but if anything, it's got worse. A deep area of low pressure is developing now to the west of the United Kingdom. You can see that lovely curl of cloud on the satellite picture, and this is the weather front that you've just seen in the news has produced all the snow that we've seen last night, and it's continuing to snow right now. It's an area of low pressure, the colder air to the north of those weather fronts, keeping the snow going. Very strong winds tucked into the south, and these two areas of low pressure combined will eventually start to move away to the east. So the problem we may have is the colder air coming a little bit further south as we move through Friday, and then as we move into the weekend, the milder air sweeps in from the southwest, and just about everybody will be snow-free. But also we're going to see the weather fronts bring yet more rain at times as well. Now, some of the heaviest snow has been in the Northern Isles, particularly in Shetland. Lerwick has had 21 centimetres of lying snow. That's about 8 and a bit inches. But further south, it's also been snowing and also pretty cold and windy. 90-mile-an-hour gusts. It is high up in Cairngorm, but even so, -8 and 90-mile-an-hour winds. It's certainly pretty strong. And of course, the higher routes have been affected by that snow. Now, the snow in the south of Scotland has started to turn to sleet and then rain through the morning and into the early part of the afternoon, but still snow further north, and that gives us blizzard conditions over many parts of northern Scotland this afternoon, leading to some quite dangerous driving conditions. So if you don't have to make your journey, then please don't. You can see from the wind flow diagram we've got plenty of wind covering a good part of the United Kingdom, strong gusts just about everywhere, but some of the strongest winds will be across the more northern parts of Wales and into the northern England. And this is our weather warning about those stormy winds. I think we're looking at gusts of up to 70 to 80 miles an hour, certainly strong enough to cause some damage. And of course, if you're driving, and some of those showers coming and going as well, leading to some quite nasty driving conditions. So for the whole of the United Kingdom, it's going to be a stormy afternoon with those strong winds at times, 50 to 70 mile an hour gusts, certainly strong enough to cause some problems elsewhere. And also some rain, as you can see from the radar and satellite picture combined. Some quite heavy showers coming into some of the more western areas, the sheltered eastern parts of England getting away with the driest conditions, but not necessarily sunny, plenty of cloud around as well. Top temperatures, 11 or 12, so quite a mild day for England and Wales, but further north as we meet the boundary and the colder air where the snow is, down to around freezing in the northern parts of Scotland. Now those weather fronts will continue to push their way to the north and then sink slowly back down in the second half of the night, giving some more snow at times and a cold night for northern areas, but quite mild in the south. Then as we move into Wednesday, well, these two areas of low pressure move away, so a little bit quieter, and then through Thursday and Friday, those northerly winds start to move through. I'll have more later. Bye for now.